Got a Discord invite link but no idea where to paste it? In 30 seconds, you'll be inside any server. Here's the plan. We'll click the plus icon, select Join a Server, paste your link, and hit Join. Simple. All right, so let's start from the very beginning. You've got this invite link. Maybe someone sent it to you in a chat, or you found it on a website, and you're looking at Discord, probably feeling a little lost. That's totally normal. The trick is knowing where to go. Look at the very far left side of your Discord window. That long column with all the little icons, that's your server list. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom. See that round icon with a plus sign inside it? That's the Add a Server button. It's your ticket in. Go ahead and click that. Once you click it, a small window will pop up. Don't let that throw you. You'll see two main options at the top: Create a Server and Join a Server. We want the second one. Click Join a Server. Now, this is where the magic happens. You'll see an empty text box. This is where you paste your invite link. Now, here's a little tip from someone who's done this a bunch. That link might look long and messy. It might be something like discord.gg/some random word or number. You can copy the whole thing and paste it right in. But here's the thing you might not realize. You don't actually need the whole web address. Discord is smart. You only need the last part, that unique code at the end. So if someone gives you a link that looks like a full URL, you can just grab the code part after the slash. It saves a tiny bit of time. And one more thing, make sure there aren't any extra spaces before or after the text when you paste it. A stray space can break the whole thing, and you'll be sitting there wondering why it's not working. I've been there. Just double check it real quick. Once your invite code is in that box, look down at the bottom right of that window. There's a button that says Join Server. Click it. And that's it. Seriously, it's that fast. You should see the server pop up in your server list on the far left. You're officially in. You can start browsing the channels, say hi in the welcome chat, whatever you want. So the next time someone sends you an invite, you won't have to hunt around or feel stuck. Just scroll down, click the plus, paste your link, and you're in. It takes less than a minute. And now you know exactly how it's done.